Pamela, and today I have another fraction problem from the Rosyth end of year 2024 paper 2, question 17. So let's begin. Take Hua made blueberry and chocolate muffins to sell. 5/6 of the muffins were blueberry muffins and the rest were chocolate muffins. So remember, we need to underline the important information. So let's underline 5/6. Next, he sold 1/3 of the total number of muffins. 5/6 of the muffins sold were blueberry muffins. There were 120 chocolate muffins left. How many blueberry muffins did he sell? So, we have a lot of fractions. What is one thing that we can draw to visualize fractions? Models. So, let's start with the first fraction. First, over here, we have 5/6 of the muffins were blueberry muffins. So, how many parts should our model have in total? 6 parts. Now, how many parts will the blueberry muffins be? 5 parts. And the rest will be chocolate muffins. Let's continue. He sold 1/3 of the total number of muffins. First, since we have 6 parts over here, how many parts will 1/3 be? It will be 2 parts, 6 divided by 3. So, now, should we label it here? No, we can't label it here because we don't know if it is all blueberry muffins. For these 2 parts, currently we don't know if they are blueberry or chocolate muffins. We don't know how many. So let's leave it for now. Noting it down on the side will remind us later. So now, 5/6 of the muffins sold were blueberry muffins. Since the muffin sold is 2 parts, what should we make these 2 parts into? We should make it into 6. So how should we divide each part? Divide into 3. So now each part will be divided into 3 and every part needs to be divided. We have made the 2 parts into 6 units. So how many units of the blueberry muffins were sold? 5 units. Then what about the chocolate muffins? 1 unit. 6 minus 5. Now, from the question, we were given 120 chocolate muffins left. So, it will be over here on our model. Now, how many units is this? 2 units. So, 2 units will be 120. With this, what can we find? 1 unit, which will be 120 divided by 2, giving us 60 muffins. Now remember, what is the question asking for? The number of blueberry muffins sold. So how many units is this? 5 units. So how can we find this? Take 60 times 5 and that will give us our answer of 300 muffins. Great, so let's summarize this question. Remember at the start, we draw models to visualize. And the tricky part of this question was determining the number of units sold for the blueberry and chocolate. We divided the 2 parts on the model into 6 units. And this 6 is from the denominator. So, when we have fraction problems, we can first draw the models to visualize. Then we can divide the model based on the denominator. And we have come to the end of this question. If you have any other primary 5 questions, feel free to scan the WhatsApp QR code over here to join our PSLE study group for primary 5 students. And with that, I'm Teacher Pamela and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye!